It's still going. So I'm following the YouTube tutorial on how to unclog my washing machine because it hasn't been draining. So I'm seeing if I can fix it myself. So far, so good. I opened the little door. I took that tube out, pulled it out. Water's draining out. You can see I've got a lot of water right now. Then as soon as that's finished, I'm gonna open this little door right here, and that's a filter, which I never knew about before. And I guess I should have probably been checking that and cleaning it. So in the future, I will do that, but I didn't even know it was there. So as soon as this is done draining, I'm going to go ahead and check that filter. So the water is out of the bottom of the machine now there. It's slowly stopping down here. You can see I got a fair amount of water out there and it smells kind of bad. So that's interesting. Yuck. Okay, so I'm back and I'm gonna open this little filter. I've laid down a towel so that he said water might come out. Let's see. Let's see after all these years, what's in here. I'm scared. Oh, yep, there comes some water's coming out. Oh, gee. I wonder why it wasn't draining. Take a look at this. This is disgusting, and it smells, it smells like a sewer. Oh boy, I'm gonna go clean this. I'll be right back. Okay, I cleaned this off. It was like a sludge on there. It was a little slimy and gross, but it came off easily. Dumped it in the trash, and the leftovers I just cleaned with a brush at the sink. I'm actually kind of annoyed because I paid for a technician to come out, and he basically ran a couple of cycles on the thing over there on the digital computer part, and he said, oh, well, there's no error code, so I don't want to start replacing parts, and I don't know what's wrong with this, so there's really nothing wrong with it. Are you sure you didn't put in too many clothes? You know, I've been doing laundry for 40 years. I think I know how to do clothes. Anyway, so it's kind of annoying that I find a video on YouTube, and just by opening a little door here, emptying out some water, no tools, cleaning off a filter, I might have fixed my problem and don't need a new machine or parts or anything else. So let me put this back in. I'm gonna try to run a load. I'm gonna clean that in the future, and let's see if it works. I'll let you know. And it looks like it drained. Look at this. My clothes are not soaking wet. I am so happy. Ah, thank you, YouTube.